In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the name of the Shopify theme you're currently using on your Shopify store. Whether you're a store owner looking to make updates, a designer scouting for information, or just curious about the theme a particular Shopify site is using, this guide will walk you through a simple process to uncover this information. Let's start by navigating to the Shopify website. Type shopify.com into your web browser's address bar and press enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the login button located typically at the top right corner of the page. This action will take you to the next step where you'll be required to authenticate yourself as the owner or an authorized user of the Shopify store in question. Upon clicking login, you're presented with a field to enter your Shopify store's URL or your email associated with Shopify. If you choose to proceed with the email option, you'll then click on continue with email. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the access is secure and only authorized users can proceed further. After selecting the continue with email option, you will then be prompted to choose an account if you have multiple Google accounts, or to simply proceed with the email account you wish to use for logging in. This step integrates with Google's secure login feature, ensuring that your information is protected throughout the process. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control room of your Shopify store where you can manage orders, products, and notably your store's appearance, including the theme. Look for the online store option in the left-hand side menu. The online store section is where all the magic happens when it comes to how your store looks and feels to your visitors. After clicking on online store, you will see several options drop down. Here you're looking specifically for the themes option. Clicking on themes will take you to a page where various themes you've installed or explored are displayed. However, we're specifically interested in the section labeled current theme. This part of the page shows you the theme that's currently active on your Shopify store, effectively answering the question we set out to address. There, under the heading of your current theme, you'll find the theme name prominently displayed. It's that straightforward. Now, knowing the name of your Shopify theme can be incredibly useful. It allows you to search for tutorials specific to your theme, find compatible apps, or even decide if it's time for a new theme altogether based on the features and functionalities you're interested in. While you're looking at your current theme, you might also notice additional information or action buttons that can be quite helpful. For instance, you can customize your theme directly, preview how it looks on your store, or even explore updates if available. This area serves not just to inform you about your active theme, but also provides direct access to managing and tweaking your theme to better fit your brand. Remember, understanding your store's theme is just the beginning. Your Shopify theme affects everything from user experience to conversion rates, so it pays to get familiar with it. Whether you're considering a redesign, looking to optimize your store, or simply satisfying your curiosity, knowing how to find your theme's name is a foundational piece of knowledge for any Shopify store owner or manager. And that wraps up our guide. Hopefully you found this simple walkthrough helpful. As you can see, Shopify makes it incredibly easy to find essential information about your store's design. By following these steps, you can quickly identify your current theme, paving the way for further customization or exploration into new themes that could elevate your store's look and functionality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward guides and tips on making the most out of your Shopify experience. Until next time.